Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and yep, we're shopping again. So I'm on the hunt for some pieces for my client, who you guys know as my daughter, for her new apartment. And so we are at Ross today to see what's new in stores that we can incorporate into her new home. So she likes gold and pinks, and so that's what we're on the hunt for today. So if you enjoy these types of videos, go grab a snack, get a drink, sit back and watch and see what's new in stores. I really like this black and gold vase. I think it would look really good on her shelf. I didn't pick it up, but maybe I should have. And I thought this piece was also awesome and would look great on her shelf, but as you guys know, she has a young toddler, and those type of things wouldn't last very long. And I can attest to that, as when he comes to visit his Mimi, he loves to play with Mimi's decor more than his toys. So we also have to keep it kid friendly at her place because we don't want him getting into things that are breakable. So that's enough rambling. Let's go see what's new in stores at Ross.
You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. 그대가 내게 다가온다면 내게 말해줘. 영원히 함께라고. 그래 그럴게. 나직한 고백. 그 목소리에 내 맘이 떠올라요. Would you come be my lover? 포근하게 안아줄래요? 안아달라 그 한마디에 따스한 온기 전해줘. 그대였나봐. 그랬나봐. 내 사랑 되어줄 사람. 그대였나. 되어 그대가 바라던 참사랑. 그대 그렇게 바라볼 때면 불안해하던 마음이 편해져요. 나의 귓가에 속삭여주던 사랑 노래가 마음을 대신하죠. 매일 흘러갔던 이 길을 둘이 걸어요. 영원토록. 그대였나. 내 사랑 되어줄 사람. 그대였나. 그대를 그대 내게 말해. 그래 내게 말해줘요. 그대 내겐 그대뿐인걸요. 내게 말해줘. 사랑해. 널 사랑한다고 말할게. 너만을 바라본다고. 그대였나. 감사해. 그대가 내게 와줘서. My love. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what